Hello guys, welcome back to SRK Photoworks YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you 3D pop-out effect by using Snapseed app. Snapseed app download link in description. You can see before one and the after one. It's very easy guys, just 2 steps. So watch the video till the end. Let's start. To open a photo, just click on open. Now just select the picture. Phone photo, I have given phone photo download link in description. You can download it from there. Now just click on toolbar and simply select double exposure tool. Now click on open image and add second photo. I'm adding ship photo. Now place ship photo neatly on the mobile screen like this by dragging with the 2 fingers. Now click on style and just apply subtract style. Now click on opacity level and just make it full like this and simply click on apply. Now last step. Click on edit stack, view edits, double exposure, brush. Now click on invert, again click on invert. This interface should be visible. Now just brush on mobile screen like this, zoom the photo and just brush like this. To erase, decrease the percentage should be 0%, and to restore, increase the percentage should be 100%. Brush neatly by adjusting percentage like this. First we will brush on the screen only and after that I will show you. Okay, so after brushing completed on the mobile screen, now just zoom out the photo and just tap on the ship body like this. Once it's done, just give the finishing. Now decrease the percentage and just give the outline like this. Just brush on the outline like this. Brush very carefully by adjusting percentage. By the way guys, if you are watching our videos and if you haven't liked, share and subscribe our YouTube channel yet, then please do it guys. It motivates me a lot to make more videos for you. Okay, once it's done, just click on apply. And to save the picture, just click on download symbol and simply click on export.